In this video, I'll show you how to appeal a P2P transaction on Binance. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So basically, if you want to appeal a peer-to-peer transaction on Binance, you typically need to have valid reasons for doing so. First off, log into your account using your credentials. So I'm here at Binance.com, or basically open your mobile device and open the app, all right? And then we hover to the order tab, all right? Okay. And when you go to the order tab, guys, you might sure from here from orders, you want to go down and find the transaction you want to submit an appeal for. Say for example, this one. Okay, click the transaction issue I want to appeal. That's on the verify payment section. This one, verify orders and verify payment. Then at the bottom is the transaction issue you want to appeal, right? And after that, click appeal on the... When you click on this, what will happen is there should be a new window that will appear. Okay. This should be the window, right? The appeal window. And then you should select the reason for your appeal, okay? Right here. Select a reason for your appeal and describe the situation as detailed as possible, all right? So the customer service agents can better assist you if you have having problems detailing all your situation, all right? And please also include any related screenshots, all right? So upload here all the necessary supplemental information. But again, if you're having problems, contact the customer service agent support. And now, your appeal will be shown as pending. Okay, let's check where the pending is. There you go. See the pending response from respondent. So you have to wait, all right? You have to wait for at least you have like a 15-minute window right here to and someone will reply to your appeal, all right? And after that, the counterparty will be notified to reply to your appeal, so they can either select negotiation failed or consensus reach, all right? So you have to wait. I mark it as red, so please wait for Binance customer support assistance. Right? Okay. So basically, what will happen is, it's either you'll get this to notification here. It's either you got a negotiation failed or a consensus reach, right? After that, if you reach an agreement with the counterparty, of course, click the cancel up here, right? This one. The canceled appeal, right? And again, of course, depending on the response of the counterpart select, if negotiation failed, the counterpart selects, you will see this message. So please wait for Binance customer support assistance. Something like this, guys. Right? So if the counterparty selects consensus reach, you'll be prompted to confirm whether an agreement has been reached, and after confirming, the system will cancel the order, okay? And that's how you basically appeal a P2P transaction on Binance. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.